Hey guys, I'm sorry about that. It was probably really quick. But here's part 2 of pack opening. Haven't opened my second one yet, cause hoping hurry up, and I did. Scrub a dub dub, and now I feel even lucky. Come on, lucky pack. El Sharawi. I let that do it because I think it's luck. Ooh, for Jefferson and Fernando, I guess that's okay. Checking the whole pack. Left forward to Queen Valencia. Hi. Just taking that. Wow. The good thing is also, guys, when you also get these packs, if you don't like the people in them, you can just quick sell them and you get at least 3,000K back. Or over. El Shaarawy in a pack, guys! That is beast. That is beast. I'm having my luck today. He has himself for quite a lot. Come on. Come on, yes. Yes. Here's what I do also, guys. To me, this is the best thing, but what I do is I actually just put 150 and have no buying price, like this now, because then it might give you more coins, so then you won't have a limit to go to. The people are trying to buy them. Come on. Course. Yes! Yes! Felipe Luis! Get in my Brazil club, though, son. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, this thing is doing me such less trouble. And then next thing you know, and then I give Valencia, turn up, turn up, turn up. Oxide Chamberlain too. Well, he won't sell for much, so I'm just gonna leave him there. Let me just get the golden contracts. Still got two. I'm gonna get me some big money today, guys. I'm on a roll today. But Falcao, come on, Falcao, give me someone good. Give me someone good. Gomes, Gonzalez, Suarez, and Chicharito. Always check the whole pack, guys. That is a good. Yeah, I'm gonna take that because I'll show you guys my team next. Yes, I'm at 20K. What's still 4,175? Oh, another Falcao pack. Come on, come on, come on, Falcao. Give me someone good. Give me someone good. Oh, great. Oh, great. That was draft. Don't need that. Need these three and then I'm done. $23K right now. Probably gonna have much more money because I sold people. Got another promo pack. Come on, come on, come on. Alexander Pato. Oh, and this guy. Wait, where's Pato? Where's Pato? I know I saw him at the cover. Yeah, I already had him. I'm just gonna sell him because he actually might give me something. So, who else did I get? Crap, okay. There you go. Another Falcao pack, my god. I'm gonna try to get a Messi pack next time. Wellington. Still got 3, 2, 7, 5K left. Okay, no. Here we go. This is gonna be good. I feel it. Well, it actually turned out to be crap. Bless you! Bayern Munich style. Let's go. Come on, come on, come on. Oh man, now I'm starting to get crap. But tons of contracts, my god. Wait, what? What is that thing saying? Man, I ran out of them guys. So now I gotta go back to premium. Oh, now my roll still is going. Now I'm just gonna skip it because it's not. Oh my god. Right now I'm just getting contracts because me and my team are running low. At least I got one of these. I'm not going to try to copy Harry, but I'm doing a nose pack. And I know this will work. I know I will get some good. I just know it. I'm going to let it do it this time because I know it's going to be good. What the crap? Gosh, I'm not getting anyone any good anymore. Fazio. Oh, yay. Now I'm just gonna open them and skip because the video is running down. Evra, let's go. Let's go. listing ever on the market, son. Finally, I got someone. Yeah, I know I am a boss. Well, you know, Denver Ball. Guys, there might be a part 3. I'm just warning you because the video is actually taking a while. So, I'm just gonna give you a head start. Stop giving me Jefferson. Oh crap, and I just picked the wrong thing. And so, just have that 51 coins. Another one, thank God. I'm running out of FIFA points, so I'm hoping I'm gonna get the rest of my people good. PQ! Let's go! Let us go! I'm getting a lot of good people now. Submit. You cannot complete, please try again. Wait, what? I got PQ. List on the market. Here we go. Why? What do you want? A moron? You know what? Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. Store my club. Well, the video is running out, guys, so I'm gonna make a part 3. I'm just gonna quick sell this. And then there will be a part 3 on the next one.